Hi, I'm Mike from Asynt, and today I'd like to give you a little overview of our very exciting brand new Multicel Plus high pressure reactor. So it all began with the standard Multicel, which some of you might be familiar with. This is a 10 position parallel hydrogenation or high pressure reactor. We've got the 10 cells here, single pressure gauge, single gas in, gas out, proportional relief valve, allowing you to do perhaps screening reactions under pressure, testing different catalysts, loading or different catalyst types. And it's proved to be very popular. It simply sits on a hot plate stirrer for stirring and heating, and it's quite simple to use. But over the years our customers have requested more and more advanced features, and that's what's led us to the development of the Multicel Plus, which is a bit of a beast shown here. We've got a demo unit here at Asynt HQ which just shows a lot of the different options available with this, but in a nutshell, essentially this is an 8 position parallel hydrogenation, but quite interestingly it's multi-headed with customizable heads for each vessel. So unlike with the standard Multicel where they shared a head, a standard, this one you can have different options on each cell. As standard, it's made out of stainless steel 316. It's rated to 50 bar and a maximum of 200 degrees Celsius. However, we can customize this to your requirements. So if you'd prefer some exotic materials like Hastelloy or Manel, we're happy to accommodate that, as well as allowing you to go to greater temperatures, say 400 degrees, and greater pressures, just 200 bar. If you let us know what you'd like, and we can see what we can do. You can see here that it's mounted on a nice stand with a lab jack here. That just allows, obviously due to the size of this, it actually makes it very easy to access all of the vessels. You can lower the body down, I'll show you that later, and raise it up to seal, locking it with our unique safety lock feature. So now I just want to go through a couple of the cells that we've got here, just to give a little taste of the types of customization that we can offer. At this cell here, we can see that it's isolated from the rest of the vessels via this valve here. It's got its overhead stirrer drive, individual gauge, digital pressure transducer, its own proportional relief valve, and an internal thermocouple. Moving on to this cell, we've got a sampling system to allow you to take samples from your reaction mixture whilst under pressure. It's also got the overhead stirring and an internal thermocouple. And then if we look down here, we can see that there's a band heater giving you temperature control for each vessel independently. If you would like, we can also jacket the vessels if you want to connect them to a circulator for subambient temperatures, and offer anything to allow you to make samples, make additions, whatever's required really. Now I'm just going to give a quick overview of how to lower the vessel and open the safety system. So we just flick this out here and simply lower the jack, and we see that all of the vessel bodies move away from the lid, which remains fixed, and you can easily access your reaction mixtures. If you'd like to find out any more about the Multicel Plus, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with one of my colleagues or myself over at inquiries@asynt.com. You can find out more about the original Multicel by clicking on the link here, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your time, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.